Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about the depletion in ozone layer. We are discussing biology of class 10, the chapter Our Environment. In previous session, we have talked about how does the accumulation of harmful substance is carried out through food chain. Okay. Now, we will talk about the depletion in ozone layer. Right. Now, before we start with the ozone, actually, just tell me, do you know about oxygen? It is represented by O2. It is represented by O2. And where are we using this oxygen? We are using this oxygen in the process of respiration. Okay. All those organisms which are undergoes aerobic respiration, they are using oxygen. Aerobic respiration का मतलब ही यही है कि the respiration which is carried out in the presence of oxygen. Okay. Now, oxygen molecule is made up of two. Oxygen molecule is made up of two oxygens, right? In the same way, ozone is also made up of oxygen molecules, but it contains three oxygen molecules. Okay, ozone. It is represented by O3. It is present in the atmosphere. It is present in the atmosphere and it lies from 15 kilometer to 60 kilometer from the Earth's surface. Okay, it is lying over there. Actually, you know how this ozone molecule is formed? This ozone molecule is formed due to dissociation of the oxygen molecule, O2 molecule. Actually, what happens? You might have heard about ultraviolet rays, right? Ultraviolet rays, when comes falls on the oxygen molecule, that time it splits both oxygen into the single molecule. And when this O2 is dissociated into the single molecule, this single oxygen is very reactive. It becomes very reactive. Understood? And because of the high reactivity, what happens? This single molecule of the oxygen combines with the rest of O2 molecules in the atmosphere. Means this O2 plus this dissociated oxygen single molecule, it gives rise O3. Why? Because it is highly reactive and it immediately combines with the O2 molecule and it forms a ozone. What does it form? It forms ozone. Actually, ozone is beneficial also, harmful also. First we will see how it is beneficial. ओजोन मॉलिक्यूल की जो ओजोन गैस की जो एक लेयर बनी हुई है अराउंड द अर्थ सरफेस इन द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर, दैट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम वेरी हार्मफुल एंड वेरी इंटेंस रे coming out from the sun, that are ultraviolet rays. That rays are so harmful that if the rays will come on the earth's surface, that can damage a huge living organisms, right? How? If the ultraviolet rays falls on the leaves or the skin of the human body, that may cause the skin cancer, that may cause curling of the leaves, that may cause burning of the leaves. Because of the ultraviolet rays, the eye disorder also takes place and that leads to the disease called as cataract. आपने इसके बारे में सुना भी होगा, फिजिक्स में आप पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में. कैटरैक्ट नाम का डिसीज है that may be caused due to the ultraviolet rays. ठीक है. इसके अलावा और भी कई छोटे मोटे हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स है, but these are few measures. This is one side of the ozone gas. Now, right? हम जो है ये सारे प्रोटेक्टेड है इन सारी अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस के हार्मफुल इफेक्ट से जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दी ओजोन गैस, ओजोन लेयर। अभी दूसरी बात कि हाउ ओजोन इज हार्मफुल टू अस, यूजफुल कैसे है वो तो मैंने आपको बता दिया। ओजोन गैस इज वेरी पॉइजनस गैस, वी कैनॉट ब्रीथ इट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स poisonous nature, understood? And if it is been inhaled, then it cause the respiratory disorders. Actually ऐसा possible ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जो उसका presence है वो कहाँ का है, 15 किलोमीटर to 60 किलोमीटर from the earth surface. So respiration के लिए वो possible नहीं है, understand? So in this way it is harmful, but देखा जाए तो लिविंग वर्ल्ड के लिए ओजोन लेयर जो है, ओजोन गैस की जो बनी हुई लेयर है, उसके बेनिफिट बहुत ज्यादा है। बट नाउअडेज इट हैज बीन नोटिस दैट द लेयर ऑफ द ओजोन गैस इज बिकमिंग थिनर, थिनर एंड थिनर, थिनर। सो as the layer of ozone is becoming thin, what is happening? The rays, ultraviolet rays from the sun are directly penetrating into the earth atmosphere and can cause harm to the living world. Clear? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, पहले तो ओजोन लेयर अच्छे से थी, everyone was protected very nicely from these ultraviolet rays. Then why now? What is happening in nowadays or in today's time period so that ozone layer is getting depleted मतलब कम होना, thin होना, decrease होना, reduce होना, because of the human activities, mainly pollution. mainly pollution, और जिसमें सबसे बड़ा जो है वो CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, chlorofluorocarbon is the harmful gas which degrade the layer of ozone in the atmosphere. Now where does it present? It is present in the ACs, refrigerators, aerosols, डिफरेंट जो स्प्रेज होते हैं उसमें, इन सब में एक जो कूलिंग एजेंट होता है, उस कूलिंग एजेंट का काम कौन करता है? क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन। अंडरस्टैंड? द क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन इज एज यूजफुल फॉर दीज ऑल अप्लायंसेस, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड इट इज व्हेन इट्स रिलीज्ड इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर, इट गोज हाई एंड इट डिग्रेड द लेयर ऑफ ओजोन. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू यूज different facilities, we have to afford them, but we have to make sure whatever things we are using, because of that the environment should not get polluted. Apart from this, carbon monoxide, unburnt carbon is also responsible for the degradation or depletion of the ozone layer. Understand students? It was very small topic of today's session, but it is very important. अंटार्कटिका के रीजन पे इफ यू अगर सैटेलाइट इमेज आप देखोगे तो सैटेलाइट इमेज में ऐसा नोटिस किया गया है कि देयर इज अ होल on the Antarctic region, and that hole is increasing in a diameter. मतलब ओजोन की लेयर वहां से डायरेक्टली गायब ही हो गई है, and that hole is increasing. Why? Because of the release of this gas into the atmosphere. Understood? Nowadays it has been noticed that means I don't know how much, but I heard in the news, I have listened from my friends also, during the lockdown period the transport was about to closed. The factories, the industries are not working, that are also closed. So the pollution has decreased so drastically that it is said that जो भी hole हुआ था वो that is getting healed. दिल्ली जैसे सिटी में जहाँ पे कुछ डिस्टेंस के बाद वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी बिकॉज ऑफ द पोल्यूटेंट्स, वहां पे दूर का दिखने लगा है, मतलब रास्ता दिखने लगा है विदाउट लाइट. गंगा रिवर जो है उसका पानी कितना पोल्यूटेड था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्लोजिंग लॉकडाउन की वजह से इतना सारा जो पोल्यूशन है, वन और द आइदर वे, पोल्यूशन के लिए बहुत से सारे वेज है, रीजंस है, वो बंद हो जाने की वजह से दैट water has become the potable water. Means you can think about it, not only you but we all as a citizen of this country, we must think ki how much we are disturbing our nature. So make sure the activity which we are doing should not harm to the atmosphere, should not harm to the nature. The next topic we will see in the next session. Thank you.